Hello, my dear children. Once again, welcome back to your favorite subject, mathematics. And today we are going to start a new topic, that is time and clock. This is very interesting topic and this is very necessary for our daily life. Okay, now let's study more about a time and clock. So first let's read this. Okay, so can you see the picture, children? Yes, it's a early morning picture. So the sun rises in the morning. It begins a new day. Okay, so here you can see the sun rises. After that, it's very hot at noon, isn't it? It's very hot in the noon, that is afternoon. Okay, next, the sun sets in the evening. The sun sets in the evening. The next, it is dark at night and the moon and stars shines. Okay, so this is early morning and this is afternoon and this is evening and this is night. Okay, so let's read this also. So a day has 24 hours. So in a day, in a one day, we have how many hours, children? 24 hours. Okay, so we read the time by looking at watch or clock. Yes or no? So we use a watch or clock to see a time. Nowadays we are using even our mobile also. Okay, so a watch or clock has numbers 1 to 12 written on it. So everybody have at home, isn't it? Wall clock. So here a watch or a clock has how many numbers, children? 1 to 12. 1 to 12. So here there are two hands. So here I am going to show you a clock and after that I am going to explain in detail. Okay. So here you can see a wall clock, children. Okay. So here we can see a numbers 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are how many numbers in a clock, children? 12 numbers. Okay. So here you can see a mainly two hands. So that is one more is there. I'll tell you later. So the mainly is two hands. You can see here. One is small hand. One more is a long hand. Okay. So one is small hand, short hand and one more is a long hand. So a long hand indicates a minute. What it indicates, children? Yes, it shows or it tells us a minute. And a short hand indicates or it shows us a hour. Okay, so short hand indicates a hour and the long hand indicates a minute. Okay, so now you can see the short hand is at 9, number 9, and the long hand is at number 12. So what is mean by? It's mean by it's a 9 o'clock. Got it, children? Yes. So once again, a small hand or a short hand indicates a hour and the long hand indicates minute. And you can observe here one more, isn't it? A very thin one. So it shows or it tells us a seconds. So it moves continuously. Okay. So it moves continuously. So the just you have to say or you have to learn about in this class only a short hand and a long hand. So later on in coming days you will learn more about this. So once again I'll tell you, children, a short hand indicates a hour and a long hand indicates minute. Okay. Yes. Now as I told you, 9 is at short hand is at 9 and long hand is at 12. So it shows or it means 9 o'clock, isn't it? Yes. Now how to write? How to write a 9 o'clock now? Yes. So we have to write a number 9. After that 2 dot, then 0, 0. So this is 9 o'clock. Okay. Yes. So you have to write, children, number, then afterwards 2 dots, then 20 or 00. Okay, that is 9 o'clock. Okay, next one. Now one more example, children. Okay, you can observe here a short hand is at 7, number 7, and the long hand is at 12. So what is the time now? How we have to say? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. Now how to write? 7, after that 2 dot and 00. Okay, yes, it's a 7 o'clock. Now the next example, you can see here the short hand is at 3 and the long hand is at 12. Now how do we have to say, children? Yes, it's a 3 o'clock. Okay, short hand indicates a hour and a long hand indicates minute. So 3 o'clock. What do we have to say now? 3 o'clock. So how to write now? 3 and 2 dots and 00. 3 o'clock. Okay. The next. So here you can see, children, the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at number 12. So that means it's a 4 o'clock, isn't it? Yes. So here I will ask you one question, children. Very simple. So how many minutes need to complete 1 hour, children? Do you have any idea? Do you know? Yes. So to complete 1 hour, we need a 60 minute. So how to calculate that 60 minute? So from one number to another number between, we have here green number. Can you see here green line? That is a minute, children. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we will complete 5 minutes. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 minutes. That is, here we can see here 5. Then here we complete 10 minutes. Then here 15. So this is all green line. You can see, no, children. You can calculate here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 15 minutes. Again plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 15 plus 5, 20. Then afterwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 plus 5, 25. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 25 plus 5 is 30. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 30 plus 5, 35. Then again plus 5, 40. Again plus 5, 45. Here 50. And again 55. And here 60. Got it? Yes. So this is what we call a minute. Okay. From one number to another number, we complete a 5 minutes. Okay. The next, it will go on like this. That means, so we can say here 5 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. That means it will become complete 1 hour. Got it, children? Yes. So in the next class, you are going to learn in detail. Next, in the sense, second standard. Okay, children? So here you learn nicely, or you will understand very thoroughly that only you have to understand a short hand and a long hand. Okay, children? Yes. So now to 1 minute. So how many seconds we need, children? Just this is for your knowledge, children. Okay. So 1 minute we need a 60 seconds. So already I have shown in the clock, isn't it? So here I have shown which is the second hand. So this is which is running now continuously. This is a second hand. And short one is a, yes, hour hand. And the long one is a minute hand. And the which is the thin one, this is a second hand. So it will start from here to and it will end here. That completes a 60 seconds. That means a 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Now let us write and let us read a very important some points. So here I wrote a very important points, children. Just I'll read. So the first one, there are dash days in a week. So we all learned this, isn't it? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Next, dash weeks make a month. 4 weeks makes a month. Next, 52 weeks make a year. Next, 12 months make a year. See children, don't get confused. This is weeks and this is months. Okay. Next, 365 days make a 1 year. This is ordinary year. Okay. Yes. Next, a leap year has how many days in a year? 366. Okay. 360 days in a year. The next one, a day has 24 hours. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Next, in a clock, the long hand is a what children? Which it shows a minute. Okay, minute hand. Long hand is a minute hand. And the short hand indicates, short hand is the hour hand. Okay, HOUR, hour hand. The next one, 1 hour is equal to dash minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to how many seconds children? 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so just you have to go through this and you have to learn this all children. Okay, so take a clock and take your parents' help and make it clear. Okay, and today's homework is you have to draw the clock like this and you have to mention all the numbers, and even though you have to mention the short hand and the long hand. After that you have to write this all important points in your classwork book. That is your today's homework. Okay children, so see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.